Welcome back to *automiac***, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we have something truly exciting for all you truck enthusiasts. The 2025 Ford F100 Pickup is here, and it's ready to make a massive impact. This truck brings back the iconic F100 nameplate, blending modern technology with classic styling, creating the perfect balance of power, utility, and nostalgia. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 F100 features an updated version of its classic design, with a muscular yet refined look. Ford has kept the recognizable angular lines, but with a more modern twist, making it look more aggressive on the road while paying tribute to its roots. The front grille is bold and massive, with a sleek LED lighting system that not only enhances visibility but also adds a futuristic touch. The truck's profile is muscular, with squared wheel arches and a long, durable bed perfect for heavy-duty tasks. And let's talk about the wheels. 18-inch all-terrain tires are available, ready to take on any kind of off-road adventure. This F100 is truly built to stand out. Engine. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford F100 offers an impressive range of engine options, including an all-new *3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and a more powerful *5.0-liter V8 engine for those who crave even more muscle. These engines provide excellent towing capacity and a towing capability that can handle everything from heavy-duty construction equipment to a trailer full of your toys for a weekend getaway. The EcoBoost V6 gives you the perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency, while the V8 engine will thrill you with its unrelenting power. Whether you're hauling cargo or simply cruising down the highway, the F100 delivers a driving experience that is smooth, responsive, and always exciting. The truck also comes equipped with Ford's signature ** 10-speed automatic transmission **, which provides lightning-fast shifts, allowing you to seamlessly go from stop-and-go driving to highway cruising. There's also a ** 4WD option * for those of you who want to take your F100 off-road and conquer any terrain with confidence. You'll notice the upgraded suspension system that offers a smooth ride even on uneven ground, ensuring that no matter where you go, you're in control. Interior. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Ford F100 is a true blend of comfort and utility. The interior design stays true to its heritage, with rugged elements mixed with modern technology. The * touchscreen infotainment system * includes Ford's latest Sync 4 * system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and features a * 12-inch display * for easy navigation and controls. The seats are crafted from durable yet comfortable materials, with options for * leather upholstery * and * heated seats *, making it perfect for long drives. The spacious cabin offers plenty of room for both driver and passengers, ensuring a comfortable experience on every journey. Ford has also made sure that safety is a top priority. The 2025 F100 is equipped with * adaptive cruise control *, lane keeping assist *, and * blind spot monitoring *, making sure you stay safe on both long trips and tight city streets. There's also * pre-collision assist * to help you avoid accidents in case of unexpected obstacles. As for the bed, the 2025 F100 comes with a * high-strength steel bed * that can handle serious loads. Whether you're hauling materials for work or taking a weekend trip, the bed's * smart tie-down system * and available * in-bed lighting * ensure that your cargo stays secure and easy to access. The 2025 Ford F100 Pickup is truly a combination of everything you love about trucks: classic design, modern technology, and unbeatable performance. Whether you're using it for work, play, or simply a daily driver, this truck can do it all. It's perfect for those who want a reliable, powerful, and stylish pickup that can handle anything that comes its way. So, what do you think about the 2025 Ford F100? Is it the perfect pickup for you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in to *automiac***, and we'll see you next time with more exciting car reviews and updates.